realizing I wasn't even recording the trade. I took this and got smoked. To 930 high, inverse this. We had two 1 minute gaps that were tapped. Here looked pretty good. Didn't close back above the IFEG, so I mean, there's that. And then I think the main thing is there was a this unfilled 15-minute gap down here that we didn't get. And then we're just bouncing from the OR mid here, so yeah. But other than that, I mean, I think it looked good. I think the drawdown here was just really kind of too strong, given that we already filled the gap here with the open candle. So definitely was expecting us to come back down to this 15-minute. Yeah. Yeah, that was the trade. I got smoked. So lost about 370. But yeah. Trying to think if I'm gonna keep recording for 50-minute opening range break strategy. I'm basically just gonna be copying whatever the guy for that says, so trying to learn. I think what I'll do is pause and then just try to come back when something's happening. I'm gonna be honest. Losing that does suck though. Does suck. There was the issue is like there were two trades last week that I should have taken that I didn't, and so I was only up 1%. I could have been up 3, and yeah. Yeah, the markets are super divergent. Well, we had looking for 6 a.m. I mean, this was not valid. We had triple stacked, gapped here. Inverse right there. And yeah, I mean would be the only spot that would have given an entry, but it was triple stacked plus the inverse here, and the 1 minute was also inversed with double stacked. So but yeah. Well, I mean that's gonna be it, basically. Hmm. Oh, my mentor was talking about only taking setups that we were like really, really, really confident in. And the other thing, but I've heard that like confidence isn't even like sometimes confidence has nothing to do with it. Because like I like opening range low, like this opening range low got taken out, or opening range high never got taken. Because like technically, in this was opening range high, delivering from here. I mean, this trade was so much better, but it's still not even technically within the rules because it's too far away. There's nothing here. I mean, yeah, it's just. I just don't really know. I just don't know. Because, like, there are valid draws for this trade. The issue, because there's 930 high, there's an unfilled 15 above us. It's just like I don't know, man. Because it's honestly, yeah, I mean, it's fine trade. It sucks that it's a fine trade and it lost, but I mean, it's gonna happen now and then. I guess my question is like, if I could, I think, because you're talking about taking, like, figuring out what your successful trades are like. So it's like, I feel like if I had to, like, opening range high and opening range low, 6 a.m. high, 6 a.m. low are the best for me. Although London's good too. Like, there's a lot of stuff that's good. I mean, maybe 930 is not great. I mean, the other consideration is maybe like we're just waiting for a sweep of liquidity. But it's like at a certain point, if you're doing that, you're just like an IVG trader, which I don't know if is what I want. You know? Because if I had waited for the sweep, it would have been this, and that still wouldn't have been valid, technically, because it's too far away. So then what? So you don't take that. Don't take this either, because that's not valid. Then you're waiting for 10 a.m. Then you're looking for 6 a.m. high until we get down here. Now you're looking for 6 a.m. low, which you wouldn't have gotten until down here. But then, like, is this like, where's the sweep here? Like, there is no sweep here. We're just in a downtrend. Because the other thing is, like, there's an SMT somewhere over here. Market clearly wanted to go down. It's just like, because this doesn't have a sweep. There's no sweep in here. It's just like we're in a downtrend. I mean, I guess the difference is if you look, so like, where was the potential setup? Like, this wasn't valid, but if we just look at this, this was whatever, something like this. Make it bigger. If we go to the 15-minute, we had inversed the. We had an inverse, but we were trading through the gap. 6 a.m. was at 81. I mean, it's a mitigated 15. It's still possible that you're getting kind of screwed over there. But the real issue is, oh, if we say this is triple stack and it's fine to inverse the first to get to the second, I mean, that's fine then. Otherwise, if we go to the 1 minute, I mean, inversing this is bad. Two-minute didn't look good either. Well, the 2 minute was fine, actually. The issue was just that we had this death candle. And then realistically, if we look at the 5 minute, I mean, my other mentor was saying that this would have been the trade here. Let me just get rid of this. If you look at the 5 minute, we had, let's see, it was rising volume on this candle here. Tap into the 50% level right here. And it moved down, obviously. I mean, this would have been a fucking gigabanger, obviously, but I don't know, man. Sucks that sucks that it lost. Well, it seems like I mean, let me think. I mean, it seems like in terms of FUGC, probably likely would have been a no trade day if well, no. You know what, man? I don't know. I don't think I should I don't know. I really have no idea. It just feels like it just really seems like we wanted this gap. And I don't know why. It's just like we're in an uptrend coming down. Like it just seems like that's what we would do. And maybe that's hindsight talking. But it really fucked us on this trade. But I mean honestly, like and again, I have data for all this, and like if I trade correctly, it shouldn't matter anyway. I mean I think that trade was fine. Uh yeah. Ultimately, I think that trade was like pretty much fine. It just sucks that it lost. And then this, there should have been a trade. Where was it? Should have been a trade here. But other mentor did not take it. He hesitated, and we had Death Candle, so missed out on that. But I mean, this would have been. This is like heat, obviously. Like obviously is heat. So yeah. I'm a bit salty. It sucks to lose, and it also sucks to miss a trade. But oh, that's how it goes sometimes. Um, I'm gonna keep back testing some of March, I guess, right now, and then yeah, we'll see what we get tomorrow. This shit's gonna live fucking rent free in my mind until I get a win, and I really would like a win. I feel like, yeah, I just want to be moving in the right direction, and it just feels like it's so possible, but it just doesn't happen. Like I just can't. I haven't been able to make it happen, which is really frustrating. But you know, despite how hard it is, there's a reason not everybody makes it, and people who didn't make it turn back here, and that's not going to be me. We'll see what tomorrow brings.